so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because I'm opening a box I really love. It's called Brown Paper Packages. I believe this is like the third, maybe fourth, I think third though box I've received. This is a bi-monthly subscription, and I've been raving about how much I love bi-monthly subscriptions lately because I like this every other month, not only for financial reasons, but also just for like the amount of items you get. You like get some time to use up what you get in between. So yeah, Brown Paper Packages is great. It actually ships from Canada. So it's $59.99 Canadian dollars, which comes out to be around $45 US. I'm gonna leave their website down below. Right before I started speaking to you guys, I was taking some like thumbnail photos with the box, and I can like smell peppermint, I think, in here, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. Every time I get this box, I start singing the song from Sound of Music, which I can't sing here because one, my voice sucks, and two, copyright reasons. But anyways, let's get this open and see what's in the December Brown Paper Packages. Oh my god, you guys, this is such a cute presentation. Look at how beautifully wrapped this is. Oh my god, there's like Christmas tree. Tissue paper. Oh my god, I'm gonna snap a photo of this. It's so cute. I feel bad opening it. Alright, so if you're my Snapchat friend, you got a little sneak peek. So on top, underneath like this pretty tinsel, oh my god, there's a bell. Can you guys hear that? So it says Brown Paper Packages, December 2019, bling in the holidays. On the back it talks about who they are. So Brown Paper Packages is made by the Hutch sisters. Again, I'm gonna leave their website down below. In here it talks about all of the items, a few of their favorite things. I just think they came up with such a clever name. So it talks about the items and lists some pricing information. I absolutely love when companies provide that information. But yeah, let's get this open. It's so pretty. I always feel so bad. I think we got like some leaves or something in a past one, like in the fall box, and I kept those and like put them on my table. So I'm gonna keep this. Let me see if I can get this off. Oh, here's part of it. I like detached the leaves on accident, like little berries. Oh my god, this is so pretty. But for time's sake, I'm just gonna snap it open. Ooh! So here is a little sneak peek of what is inside. Oh, what is this? It says a phone mirror. Let's get it out of here. Phone mirror. Oh, so you like put this on the back. It says removable and reusable phone mirror, sticks on the back of your phone or case. It's break resistant, real mirror. You can use it to touch up your makeup, check your teeth, never search for a mirror again. I just did a little teeth check when they said that. I was like, oh shoot, I didn't check if I had lipstick on my teeth. This is so cool. Let's see what it says on here. So the rhinestone phone mirror says the best way to discreetly check yourself out on the go. Break resistant mirror attached to your phone. Is removable and reusable, distributed in the USA, and this is $12.50. Right now I have like this little sleeve where you can put cards in. I never use that, so maybe later today I will take that out. I'm going out for some Mexican margaritas. You guys know my favorite thing ever tonight, so maybe I'll have to be able to check it out. Like if I eat tacos, you know, that could be in my teeth, but I digress. Let's move on. So there's something in this pouch here. Let's get this open and see. I can't really tell what it is right now. Oh wow, this is just full of stuff. What is this? Ooh, I love when we get stuff from this company. This is by Gourmet du Village. This is mulled wine mix. So they always give us like mixes for drinks. It's so fun. So this is what this one looks like. Let me read the back. So it says mulled wine recipe. So you put this in a saucepan, add 375 mLs or half a bottle of red wine, orange juice, and the contents of this package. You stir gently with a whisk over medium heat until fully dissolved while bringing to a gentle boil. Remove from heat and serve in heat-proof glasses or mugs. So this is really cool. I'm gonna use this for sure. I think this is so fun. And the next one is double truffle with marshmallows hot chocolate mix. Look how cute that is. And then we have double truffle hot chocolate mix. Are these the same but they just look different? I think so. They're so cute. And then white hot chocolate mix. Man, I am like suffering from a cold or something. I need to blow my nose. BRB. Alright, so it says the hot chocolate trio. So we had 3 servings of a holiday classic and your favorite Kahlua or peppermint schnapps for a grown-up version. Sounds so good. Locally owned, so the trio of hot chocolates are $6. And the mulled wine mix, it says, heat red wine, orange juice, package contents, and optional apple cider for a traditional holiday cocktail. Locally owned, and that is $4. So fun. Next up is something in this shiny gold container. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I think it's wrapped up inside there as well. Oh, it feels like Christmas. I think Christmas is a week away. Isn't that crazy? Oh, pretty. So this is a necklace. It has like 3 like little terms here. I'll show you in just a second. By Cozy Canada. It says jewelry and accessories. Oh no, okay, it's earrings and a necklace. At first I didn't realize that. You can see the studs in the back. So they're matching dangly earrings and a necklace. This is so perfect for the holidays. For a holiday party, Christmas, like a night out, whenever. This is really pretty. I like this. I love how they get things from like local businesses and stuff too. So where is this? So rhinestone necklace and earrings. This necklace and earring set will add a delicate sparkle to any outfit. It's from a locally owned business and is $19. Oh, and they added some candy. It says, the Hutch sisters hope you have a happy and peaceful holiday season and wish you the best for 2020. They always add like a little extra like candy bag. This is so cute. And their candy, sometimes I've never tried because they're from Canada. This one says it's a Santa candy. It has marshmallow in it. And then there's like, ooh, the candy cane kisses. I love those. And then some like lifesavers. That is so sweet of them. You guys, look at this. We got, oh, so cute. I don't think I have any of these in my house right now. I don't think I see anything about this in here. Oh, there's something inside. Obviously, but I was thinking like this would be one of the items, but look at how fun this is. Sequins. Inside there's a little clutch, I think, or a purse. At least the purse is red. Let's do this out of the wrapping. And that's a stocking, by the way. You know, that took me like a full 30 seconds in my head to remember what this was called. Like, what is wrong with me? Oh my gosh, I need more coffee. This is like a really fun party clutch. So it has a snap closure. Oh, cool. So there is whoa, you can. This is pretty long too. So you can wear this. There's 3 different ways you can wear this. Is it clutch, this length, or an even longer length? So they give you 2 different chains. So that's awesome. And yeah, there's a little like pocket inside. I feel like glitter is coming off this, but that's okay. Tis the season for glitter, right? So the red clutch bag is $34. It says, add a touch of holiday cheer with this show-stopping bag in a festive red color, and it's from a locally owned company. But yeah. Oh man, was my head out of frame? I think my camera just moved a little. Yeah, I got glitter all over me now. It's okay. Ooh, I see makeup. Illuminator. Well, here, let's get this out of the bag. Everything's packaged so cute. It's like opening a bunch of individual presents. So, Illuminator says a sheer cream liquid that perfects skin with light reflecting pearls for a soft natural glow. This formula features ultrafine luminescent pearls that absorb, reflect, and retract light for polished, natural looking radiance. Water, light, and sheer, it has a prismatic effect that allows it to adjust in any light so your fine glow is never lost. Hi, Fiona. Oh, you guys hear her? Hi, baby. Were you napping? I think I woke my cats up when I was singing the Sound of Music song, Brown Paper Packages, or a few of my favorite things. Oh, this is big. And so the color is Candlelight. It has like a little pump. Whoa, I just put a lot on my hand on accident. So that is what it looks like. Definitely don't need as much as I put out, but that's a pretty color though. Might be a little dark. I'd have to go in like way light-handed. I can't believe, yeah, that comes out a lot, so be careful if you get this. So I just took a little off to be like a more realistic amount, and that is pretty, so nice. Next up is something in this bag here. Oh, I didn't tell you the pricing of the last item. Oh, so it's a face and a body highlighter. Okay, that makes sense. That would actually be really pretty as a body highlighter. So if you get extra on your hand like I did, you can like put it on your shoulders, your collarbone, stuff like that. That's pretty. So liquid highlight in Candlelight adds a subtle lit from within glow to face and body, Canadian made and cruelty free. Stray Cat Cosmetics donates to animal charities and it has a retail value of $22. We've gotten several items from Stray Cat Cosmetics. I think they like just debuted in this box a few months back, so I think that's really cool and I like the name, and of course I love that they donate to charities. So let's see, what is this? Berry Burst. Oh, it's a detangler spray. I use these every time I shower. Oh, Hyper cats are now all running in here. I just like threw some plastic wrap on the ground and now she's all excited. Hi. This is very colorful and fun. So this is by Beautiful Berry Burst Detangler Spray. Detangles, protects, and eases. You get 118 mLs. It says gently towel dry your hair and relax while massaging your tips before one final rinse. With the Beautiful Detangler, your hair will stay hydrated and silky all year long. The final touch for your beloved hair. See what it smells like? I'm guessing like berries. It smells exactly like the berry scent, so cool. I have some detanglers open now, but I definitely go through them and use them every time I wash my hair, so always happy to get more, and it smells really good too. So that is $7.50. It says locally owned and made from natural ingredients. This detangle spray hydrates and makes the hair silky. Scents of cranberry, tangerine, raspberry, blackcurrant, almond, and vanilla will keep your hair smooth and refreshed. Use as the last step in your shampoo routine or spray into damp hair as a leave-in conditioner. And Beautiful is committed to schools and sports clubs to support their fundraising campaigns with the sale of their products. Oh, I love that they choose companies that give back. That's great. Ooh. This is definitely that peppermint scent I smelled. Oh look, it's another little cute stocking. It's so cute. Now my house is gonna look more like festive. And I didn't mention this, like look at what they have inside here. I'm totally gonna repurpose this for when I finally wrap Christmas gifts and stuff. The little swigglies are red, green, white, and gold. But back to the item, so this is the peppermint fresh handmade soap, bath and body. Oh my god, it smells just like peppermint. Let's look at it. Oh, and it's so cute too. This is what it looks like. So Skinalicious peppermint soap. This is $6.50. Peppermint scent revitalizes your senses while keeping skin soft and moisturized in this festive fragrance. Locally handmade and cruelty-free. Such a perfect scent for this time of year. And that is everything in our box. There's just some papers on the bottom that are about that company Beautiful that made the hairspray. So let's just do a quick recap. Let's start this. So we had the hair detangler spray, the peppermint soap, smells so good. We have the Stray Cat Cosmetics Illuminator, so you can use this both on your face and your body, and it's really pretty. I mean, we have a little stocking that came with the soap. We have this red bag that you can wear 3 different lengths. You can wear it as a clutch or like just like a regular handbag, or it could be like a crossbody. We have this fun little stocking. Why couldn't I think of that word earlier? Candies. We have 3 hot chocolate mixes and then the mix to make mulled wine. We have the rhinestone phone mirror, which is cool. I've never seen one of these before. It's a good idea. And the Ecos Canada the matching earrings and necklace, which I think are really pretty and perfect for this year. And I think that was everything. I think they do such a good job curating their boxes to like this season and everything like that. And I love that they get everything from like local companies. I think this box is great. So I'm gonna leave all their information down below. Thank you guys all so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.